Very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about Cadcam subject. In the Cadcam subject, we are going to discuss about Unit 5, cellular manufacturing and flexible manufacturing system. So in this first we are going to discuss about the FMS. FMS is flexible manufacturing system. Shortly we have called as FMS. FMS may be defined as highly automated group technology machine cell consisting of a group of processing workstations. Mostly we have utilized CNC machine tools interconnected by a automated material handling and storage system and controlled by a distributed computer system. FMS employs a fully integrated handling system with automated processing stations. The figure shows the schematic view of the FMS cell. In between many machines, for example, here a CMM two machining centers are there. In between these machining machines, we have provided a robot, automatic material handling robot. We have provided. Utilizing this robot, we have utilized to transport the material from pallet to machine, then loading, unloading. Then everything will be connected with the control unit and centralized computer. So based on the commands signals coming from the centralized computer, the machines and material handling system, then conveyor, everything will be operated. This system is called as flexible manufacturing system. So based on the different manufacturing method, we have to compare the production and variety, volume of the product and variety of the product. So first one, dedicated equipment. Based on the dedicated equipment or conventional machining process product, dedicated equipment system. For example, especially the machine system is for producing the particular components. So it can able to produce the huge volume of the product, but the varieties it is fixed for particular variety. So variety of the product is very low. For example, one or two only. For example, making a ship or a building construction means the particular design we can able to produce that type of product only. So volume of production will be high. The variety is very low. Particular design. Then special system consists of some variety, but volume compared to the dedicated equipment, it is just low. Then FMS consists of moderate volume and moderate variety. Then manufacturing cell consists of different variety of product we can able to produce, but the volume of production will be less. Standard and conventional machining process, the olden machining process method we have utilized means variety compared to other method, the variety of production is high, but volume of production is will be very low. Type of FMS, the FMS is classified into based on the kind of operations, processing operation and assembly operation. Then based on the number of machines in the system, single machine cell, flexible machine cell, then flexible manufacturing system. Single machine cell consists of one machine with the material handling system. Flexible machine cell consists of uh, one or two machines with automatic material handling system. Flexible manufacturing system consists of more than two machines we having that with automatic material handling system, which is called as from a flexible manufacturing system. Based on the level of flexibility, we can define as dedicated FMS, random order FMS. Dedicated FMS means by a particular design, particular product only we have to make the system. That is dedicated FMS. Then random order means a different variety of product we can able to make. The components of otherwise elements of FMS. The FMS consists of workstation, material handling and storage system, some computer control system with human resources. These are the elements. So FMS workstation consists of what are the machines we have utilized to manufacturing. For example, CNC machines, loading stations, unloading station, assembly workstation, inspection station. Likewise, where we have to process on the workpiece, we have to process on our work material. That station is called as workstation. Mm. Material handling storage system means we have to transport the material from one workstation to another workstation. Otherwise, production station to assembly to packaging, otherwise to the store. That system we are utilizing means material handling and storage system. Uh, so it transport the raw material and finished product or semi-finished products. So this stage consists of a material handling system, types of material handling layout, then material handling equipment. So these are the uh, stages. Functional material handling system consists of hand, that means it transport the raw material from the store to the production stage, then production to again sub storage, then transfer to the assembly system, then transfer to the then testing and package system. So these are the activities and functions of the material handling system. The layout configuration, different type of layout configuration we have to utilize in the machine shop for transport the materials from one machine to another machine and the storage system. Inline layout, loop layout, ladder layout, open field layout, and robot center layout. The figure shows the inline layers. So all the machines are fitted in the inline. So we have to transport the material from one station to another station by using the conveyors. We have to transport the material from one machine to another machine. In every machine having the material sub machine secondary material handling system. So based on using that one, we have to loading and unloading and transfer the material to the conveyor. Then we have to unload the material. Then loop layout, it is as like the loop oval shape. We have to transport the material. We have to arrange as like that in the machines. So we have to transport the material from one place to another place. Then ladder layout also, like the rectangle shapes. We have to transport the raw materials from one machine to another machine. Then open field layout consists of yeah, AGV machines. Many AGV machines we have utilized to transport the material from one machine to another machine, and then storage. So that AGV machine is controlled by the centralized computer. So based on that, we can able to transport the material from one place to another place. Then robot center cell. In between the machines, we have to position a robot. It will load and unload the raw material to transport to the conveyor. We have utilized the robots. This is called robot center. So material handling equipment consists of primary handling system and secondary handling systems. Primary handling system transport the material from one workstation to another workstation. Then secondary material handling system transport the conveyor to the machine to conveyor. This is the secondary handling system. Type of material handling equipments we have utilized that depends upon the factory. The following equipments we have utilized: conveyors, cranes, and hoist, industrial trucks, monorails and other guided vehicles, then automated guided vehicles, then industrial robots. These are equipments we have utilized to transport the material. And computer control system, we have to utilize the fully controlled and semi-automated system. So using the computers, we have to operate the machines and primary handling system and secondary handling system. The system we have to control by using a computer. The computer control system control the workstation, processing station, distribution of control instruction to the workstation, production control, material handling system and control, workpiece monitoring, tool control, quality control, failure diagnosis, then safety monitoring, then performance monitoring and reporting. Structure the application of the software system. That means the computer control system. So these are the files we have utilized to control the FMS system: part programming files, routing files, part production files, palette reference file, then station tool live file, then tool live files, like that. Human resources. So human resources, without human resources, we can not able to operate the system. So human resources utilized to basic operations to load raw work part into the system, unload the finished work part from the system, for tool changing and tool settings, for the purpose of equipment maintenance and repair, to program and operate the computer system, and to accomplish the overall management of the system. Thank, thank you.